If you want to master affiliate marketing in 2023, here's a $7 affiliate marketing course you should take ASAP. Let's talk about it. And we're starting right now. Hey, welcome. I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. Excuse me, I have a bit of a cold, but we're going to get through this video. I got to talk to you about this $7 affiliate marketing course that's going to help you make money. All right. The same $7 course that I'm about to share with you is the same one that I took when I got back into this industry. All right. If you know anything about my story, I started this online journey of mine making money from home back in 2012. I started making a little bit of money, but I ended up quitting this industry, this work from home industry, went back to the job. Before I came back in 2020, I quit for like about 5 years, a good 5 years I quit. But I came back in 2020, had to relearn this whole industry all over again. Affiliate marketing, driving traffic, collecting leads, right? And the first place I went to for my education is Legendary Marketer. Taking the education that I learned from Legendary Marketer, I started applying that to different places. This is what has allowed me to earn over $1,000 in commissions with my lead gen secret. This is what has allowed me to earn commissions with Lead Ad Space, as you can see right here. This is what has allowed me to earn $50 in commissions with Actual Hits for You. As you can see, that's already been paid out. Over $300 in commissions from Warrior Plus. So I hope you see where I'm going with these commissions from multiple different places. And I can show you a couple more, but I'm sure you understand what I'm doing, right? It's the education that you need. All right. It doesn't matter what affiliate partnership or product or software that you want to advertise. You have to understand the education of driving traffic, of collecting leads, of creating content, right? And I got my education with Legendary Marketer. So if you're not earning at least like $300 to $500 consistently every single month from home online, I highly suggest you take a peek at Legendary Marketer. They have a 15-day training. This 15-day business builders challenge, they're going to take you by the hand for 15 days and actually walk you through on how you can start generating some income from home online. This is where I started, guys. This is what has allowed me to make money in other places. And I highly suggest you do the same, all right? This is why you see these YouTubers and other super affiliates. They can take any affiliate marketing product, any software, any company, right? And start generating income. It's not about promoting Legendary Marketer. No. It's about getting the education so that you can promote anything. I'm hoping you're understanding that it takes a foundation of education. It takes that knowledge and actually learning how to market, literally becoming a legendary marketer so that you can take either Legendary Marketer and scale that up and make money, or you can take any other affiliate marketing program and make money with it. That's exactly what I did. I had to re-educate myself after quitting for 5.5 years of this industry. I had to re-educate myself, rededicate myself, and figure this stuff out again. And I started with Legendary Marketer. You click the first link in the description and go check out Legendary Marketer. It's only $7 to get started with their 15-day business builders challenge. There's grandmothers that have taken this education and scaled up their income. People from all across the world, all different type of language barriers where English is not even their first language. So there's no excuses for you, all right? You got to get serious about your education and then take that education and turn it into income. Let me share with you their Facebook group, guys. They have 10,000 members in their Legendary Marketer affiliates group, and then they have 58,000 members in this Facebook group. As you can see, it's like 10 posts per day. So I highly recommend going over to Facebook, joining these two groups right here. Get your questions answered, guys. There's a lot of new people joining every day. They're answering questions. They're giving you guys help and tips and strategies. Come and join both of these Facebook groups, or Meta, right? And you get the help and the support that you need as you're going through the 15-day challenge. I highly recommend that, because too many people, they get super excited about something like this, and they end up quitting because they don't have the support that are aligned with them. You know, they might tell their friends or their family members, but they're not marketers, right? They're not in this industry learning this stuff and driving traffic. You need people that are doing it. You need people that are, you know, maybe somebody just started with you. You guys can befriend each other, right? And be on this journey together. You got to lock your arms with people that are running the same race with you. So definitely check out these Facebook groups as you go through the 15-day business builder challenge. I highly recommend that. And get started, guys. Click the link at the bottom of the description. That's how I got started. I got the education from Legendary Marketer, and I applied that education in different places, which is why I'm earning income in multiple different affiliate marketing programs. So that's all I got for you in this video, guys. $7, man. Get started. Punch fear in the face. Get started. Get serious. Get the education you need so that you can get the income that you desire. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you won't miss any future videos. Keep learning, keep growing, keep marketing, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless you.